Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's going to be another buttercream wave cake. A few weeks back I actually did this particular cake and you guys liked it so much, so I decided why not show you another model with the same technique. So in this week's video it's going to be a buttercream ombre effect using the same technique, and I'm gonna also show you how to do this cute adorable balloon garland for a cake topper. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. very simple to make. Basically, what you're going to do is crumb coat, do your second coat of your initial color, the color that's going to be at the top. So if white is going to be at the top, the whole entire cake will be white for your crumb coat and your second coat. And then you can go ahead and do the bottom and the middle part, whatever color that you want. For this particular cake, I was going for a gender reveal cake. So I went with blue and pink. And then what I did is that for the wave effect, it's very important that you put a lot of buttercream, because when you're gonna go with your scraper up and down like that and turning your cake at the same time, we don't want us to see the cake. You only want to see the wave and some buttercream. So you don't want to scrape the entire thing off, but you just want to scrape a little bit more. You just want to scrape a little bit. So if you don't have a lot of buttercream or whipped cream, it's just you're going to see the cake, and you don't want that. So, and then for the cute little cake topper, which I was so excited about. So basically it's really simple. It's just two wooden skewers that you're going to put one higher and then the other one, and then you're just gonna inflate your cute balloons, and then using balloon glues, balloon dots actually, you're just going to place them in the order that you want, and you get this adorable cake topper. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.